Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'm explaining to you and showing you how to reduce the resource usage in Chrome browser. So first off, you go to Settings, navigate to Settings, and search for Energy Saving Mode, or it's also called, as you can see, Memory Saver. So Chrome frees up memory from inactive tabs, and this gives your computer more resources to keep Chrome faster. So just enable this. So what this does, when you have a lot of tabs open, it deactivates those tabs. They're still open, they're not closing. And when you just open them up again, they just load from the scratch, but they're still here. So they're not being closed at all. So don't worry about that. Also, something else that I recommend doing is just go into your task manager, depending of course on which one you're using, find the Chrome extension, right click, and go to the efficiency and then set the efficiency mode for it. So what this does is pretty much does the same thing, but also the system-wide. So it adds this chrome.exe service as efficient, and it saves memory and pretty much decreases its priority and makes sure that your resources are not used as much as it would without that feature. So just do these two things, guys. I'm pretty sure this should help you as well. Also, one more thing that you can do, go to your extensions, manage, go to web store, and then find something that closes your inactive tabs. So for example, you go Tab Suspender Pro. As you can see, it suspends the inactive tabs, pretty much does the same thing as the Chrome itself, but more efficiently. So install it and use it. That's it for this video, guys. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.